Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I have the GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'll show you how to change the watch face or pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. In the menu you should see the watch face option. Tap on it. It will open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you'd like to use, tap on it to select and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. Open the menu again, tap on watch face and you'll see the edit button. Tap on it and here you can change the widget on your watch face. Once you're done, press the Ever button to apply the changes, then tap on the watch face to apply it. That's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video.